wrapped your voice around my lungs like silk that tightened in the dark. Every word a quiet weight, settling heavy on my heart. I called it love, I called it truth, while I was drifting in your tide. You held the air just out of reach and watched me drown to stay alive. I felt something slipping through, a part of me you couldn't take, a hidden spark beneath it all, a breath I didn't have to fake. I was drowning in yourself, every lie pulled me down, but something in me stayed awake. Even buried I wouldn't break. Now I'm rising from the deep, pulling air back into me. You don't know what I became. I'm still here, I'm still free. Break me free, break me free. I can't breathe, I can't breathe. You moved through me without a trace, left your echo in my veins. Every silence shaped my doubt, every whisper pulled the chains. But there was something underneath, a steady rhythm going real. Every time you pull me down, it pushed back harder just to feel. I hear it louder in my chest, a pulse you couldn't quiet down. Not every shadow holds me in, not every silence lets me drown. I was drowning in yourself, every lie pulled me down, but something in me stayed awake. Even buried I wouldn't break. Now I'm rising from the deep, pulling air back into me. You don't know what I became. I'm still here, I'm still free. Break me free, break me free, yeah. Break me free, break me free. I can't breathe, I can't breathe, I can't breathe. I remember how it feels when the air fills up my lungs. Not the kind you gave to me, not the silence on my tongue. I was never your